Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna give you an update on the Google Pixel 4a. I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and I just want to give you an update, but also discuss Google Fi, which is Google's wireless service that I've been using with the Pixel 4a also. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Yes, today's video, I'm gonna give you a quick update on my Google Pixel 4a. Yes, I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and I just want to discuss it, give you an update on my experiences with the phone so far. In this video, I also want to take a better look into Google Fi, discuss that with everybody because I have been getting a couple questions about it, and it's actually been working out pretty good for me too. All right, the last time I gave you an update on the Pixel 4a was when I had it for about 2 weeks. So again, like I said, it's been about a month and a half. In that video, I discussed the things I liked and then some of the things I didn't like. If you can tell me the cameras on this phone are not good as far as photos go, I don't know what's wrong with you. You can look at these photos here and see that this phone takes great photos. Now, what is shocking though, it also does a great job with video now. I think Google has improved the video capability on the Pixel 4a. And for $349, what you get with the Pixel 4a as far as cameras go, is just great. I'm excited to see what Google does with the Pixel 5, which hopefully we will find out really soon about that one. Let's talk about the speakers. Yes, it's dual speakers on this phone. So you had the speaker at the bottom there, and then also in the earpiece. So when you're listening to YouTube or watching Netflix, the speaker on here is great. I did a speaker test. I'm gonna link it right in the right-hand corner. Watch that video. Tell me what you think about the speakers on this phone. The speakers are really great. Next thing I want to talk about is the battery life. Yes, the battery life has been really good. I can get through a day, probably a day and a half sometimes, and about maybe 5 to 6 hours of screen on time, just depending on what I'm doing on the phone. The one complaint I see about this phone online all the time, or at least what people say that is missing, wireless charging and water resistance. Again, that doesn't bother me at all. I don't know if that bothers you, let me know in the comments, but to me, it's not really a big deal when I'm spending this much money on a phone. I don't really use wireless charging that much, and I definitely don't go swimming with my phones. It makes no sense at all. The other thing people say, they don't like the build quality. I mean, yes, I have a skin on there. Shout out to Dbrand. Man, the build quality is great. Look at that. I like the power button. Yes, the accent power button if my camera will focus. Now, the only thing I say about build quality, yes, it is a small phone. I will say that to this day. I will not stop saying it. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. Look at that. I wish it was a bigger phone, but again, back to the speakers. Speakers sound great. The display is beautiful. For a 5.8-inch OLED panel, this is a really good panel, not going to lie. The other thing Google nailed was the price of the phone, $349, like I mentioned earlier. You get a lot for that price. So for the last month and a half, yes, I am really enjoying this phone. If you're thinking about getting it, go for it, try it out. I don't think you will be disappointed at all with the phone. Now let's talk about Google Fi. Google Fi is actually pretty cool. I get better reception at work inside the building than I do with like my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or even the V60, which I've been using a little bit this week too. Sometimes on the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it takes a while to load up the page, or I can see that it's running really slow. I'll pull out the Google phone and I can pull up the website a lot quicker using that phone than the Galaxy phone, which is on T-Mobile. And the speeds that you get on this phone is not bad. but you can sign up with Google Fi. I will have links in the description, even a code that will give you like $20 off if you use it for, I believe it's 3 months. But they have great plans. If you are one person, it is $20 for talking text, and then it's $10 a gig. So if you don't use a lot of gigs of memory or data, then hey, you can definitely sign up for the $20 plan. That is the plan I'm on right now. I had unlimited last month, so I downgraded to $10 a gig or $20 for talk and text. I just want to see the difference on it, if I'm actually going to use a lot of data on the phone. They have different options. You can bring your phones. They even have a deal right now. As a taping of this video, you get like $100 off of a Motorola phone. But you have different plans. All right, as you can see right here, it's $50 for unlimited for 3 people. You get unlimited calls, text, and data, which is, I mean, that's not bad at all. Or if you're just looking for talk and text, and plus you get data extra, it's $17 a person, and then $10 a gig for each gig that they use too, which is not too bad. So if you get it for your kids or something that don't use a lot of data, then you may just want to pay the $17. Also, you can get 4 people, it's $180, it's like $45, unlimited for talk and text. Now, I just want to show you the speeds that I get using Google Fi. Actually, let's do this live. I'm going to try to do this live right now. I'm on the Google Fi now, in my room, which is not the greatest spot to get data. And that's not bad. Man, that keeps on going up. I will lie, in my room is getting pretty good. So as you can tell, that time, 111 down with a 5.16 upload. This was around San Antonio. The 113 was actually in my room too, across the room, so that's actually pretty good. 38, 34, 67, and this was all over San Antonio. I think a couple of them was at my job. So the data speeds you get, they're really good for Google Fi. So if you're looking to get it, I will have links in the description. It works great with the Pixel 4a, and then also any Pixel phone. You can look on the website to see if your phone is compatible. So overall, I am enjoying my experience with the Pixel 4a and Google Fi. Like I said, if you had this phone, let me know in the description what you like about it and what you don't. If you have Google Fi, also let me know. If you're looking to pick up Google Fi, look in the description. I will have a link and a referral code. That way you can get a little bonus also. Also, something new to the channel, make sure you hit that join button, become part of the BAM Nation. Memberships are live on the channel now. I appreciate anybody that's becoming a member or will become a member in the future. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos coming out on the latest tech. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.